Sup peeps, Earl here from Yugatech, and today we have a treat for viewers who love taking photos all day. Following the teasers via social media, we were finally able to get our hands on the Vivo V60. This phone is Vivo's latest offering, and we have to say, we love how it looks. Other than that, it's one of the first few devices to be powered by Snapdragon 7 Gen 4, which averages a score of 1 million in Antutu. But what really makes it stand out yet again is its Zeiss-tuned cameras, as it uses the same telephoto as the recently released Vivo X200 FE. So that brings us to today's video, where we check out what else it offers. We're here to dive into some of its best features to see how it fares in today's smartphone market, so you don't have to. Devices nowadays are expected to have great performance numbers, higher-end cameras, and AI-powered tools. That begs the question, can the Vivo V60 keep up? Let's find out. The main thing that makes the Vivo V60 stand out is its Zeiss-engineered triple-rear camera system. This includes a 50-megapixel main camera with OIS, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 50-megapixel telephoto. There's also a 50-megapixel selfie shooter to help users stay social media ready. Among these, the crown jewel is the telephoto camera. It's powered by the Sony IMX882 sensor, which is also used in the Vivo X200 FE. To break it down, it's a 1/1.95-inch sensor with an aperture of 2.65 and supports up to 100 times zoom. To put it simply, it's built to capture details no matter what distance the users put in. Some use cases include big gatherings like music festivals. In our experience, it went above and beyond our expectations when we used it near Greenbelt in Makati. Our trip had a stroll through and witnessed what sights the area offered. We had dining, coffee, saw some art, and took it in the lush greens as we were out and about. Most notably, we took a photo of a fish pond from above, giving us crisp details of water ripples. Another thing we found with the Vivo V60 is the two additional focal lengths offered in portrait mode. For reference, the classic modes include 23mm, 35mm, and 50mm focal length. However, this phone offers flagship-level portraits with focal length modes for 85 and 100mm, which was of course tuned by Zeiss. The 85mm focal length gives us users a balance between the subject and background. Meanwhile, the 100mm focal length strives at capturing vivid close-up details. Generally speaking, if you're on the lookout to buy the V60, you won't be disappointed. You're set for a device that can take shots with crisp quality and sharp details with minimal effort. Aside from its potential in taking raw shots, the V60 also offers a suite of AI-powered editing tools. It helps users have fun, be creative, and try new things out for the heck of it. For those who ever wonder what it would be like to have a snow in the Philippines, we have the AI 4-season portrait mode. This mode lets users bring 4 seasons to life, switching between spring, summer, fall, and winter. For more practical uses, we have the AI Magic Move and AI Image Expander tools. With AI Magic Move, users can will swap subjects with another. This helps make for more dynamic compositions, rearranging people in the frame with just a few taps. Lastly, we have the AI Image Expander, which is for making your photos feel like they have more space. This should be good for users who may forget to leave a bit of headroom in the photo. It works by extending the edges of your shot, all while seamlessly blending colors, textures, and details. This feature is by far the neatest just because it works without ripping through the image quality. Turns out the device's photo capabilities leverage AI Ultra Clarity. It uses AI to improve the resolution and clarity of your shot. In other words, the phone uses post-processing to deliver better details. Given these capabilities, the V60's optics will surely get your money's worth under this department alone. After the imaging system it packs, the V60's next best feature is its 6,500 mAh Blue-Volt battery. It has 5 times the density of standard batteries plus 90 watts flash charge support to maintain uptime. While these are impressive specs already, how it fared with us exceeded our expectations. Aside from our usage pattern, which include media consumption and gaming, we also took a test to get a definite benchmark. As per PC marks for 3.0 battery life, the Vivo V60 should be good for the whole day plus change. Users can expect it to pump out 22 hours and 6 minutes of activity. The test was conducted at 50% brightness, volume muted, and in airplane mode. In addition, you'll be able to get 25% of power in just 20 minutes of charging. There's also other features that help the Vivo V60 prolong itself, including Super Battery Saver and Battery Life Extender. It also supports bypass charging, which lets you draw power directly from the charger itself to preserve battery health. Moving on, did you know that the Philippines goes through 20 tropical cyclones annually? Not so long ago, we went through Typhoon Rai, also known as Super Typhoon Odette. Well, basically, the Philippines is stuck between sunny, rainy, or some cases, really rainy. Luckily, the V60 can be used worry-free even in this environment. It's a top-tier rating for ingress protection with an IP68 and 69 dust and water-resistant rating. This means that it can withstand the Philippine climate should there be concerns about its durability. For reference, an IP68 rating means your device is fully protected against dust and can be submerged beyond 1 meter for roughly 30 minutes. The IP69 rating, on the other hand, lets your device ensure high pressure from persistent rainfall or even water jets. Other use cases include the usual accidents like dropping it in a pool, body of water, or maybe even a bathroom. Given that the weather has been a bit bipolar lately, this should be good to know. So as well, we know the phone looks nice and sleek, but don't judge a book by its cover. The V60 not only offers great durability via its English protection, but great design language as well. Wrapping this up, the V60 boasts a handful of great features that help it become a great find. Design engineered cameras are certain to help users to take flagship-level photos without having too much of a hefty price. These are only complemented by its AI editing tools, making the experience all the better. There's also its Blue Volt battery paired with 90 watts of fast charging, making sure you have all the uptime without compromise. Lastly, it has the highest possible English protection rating that a smartphone can offer in case you have a happy accident. If you want a long-lasting, durable, camera-centric smartphone, then you should probably put the V60 on your list. It's good for more than a whole day of shooting, all while withstanding the wear and tear of an everyday life. To address the elephant in the room,
The Vivo V60 starts at 28,999 pesos for the 12GB plus 256GB variant.
for those curious what else it can do, stay tuned for a full review coming soon. Well, that wraps it up for today, and what do you guys think of the Vivo V60? Share your thoughts with us below. Also, if you like our video, leave a like and hit that notification bell for updates. Don't forget to follow us on our socials, that's Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and X, and visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Again, this has been Earl and the V60, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!